Hello everyone, I am Benny. Today I will explain the use of the AutoCount Easy Payment Plugin. Its purpose is the same as the function of cash sales quick payment. When you save the invoice, a screen will pop up asking you to select the payment method and then knock off this invoice. In some industries, such as the electronics industry where they sell LCDs or cables, their customers have the opportunity to return goods because the parts are not suitable for them. At this time, if you are in cash sales, you cannot transfer to a credit note, so you have to manually create a credit note and then knock it off. However, if you're on the invoice side, it can be directly transferred to a credit note and help you knock it off at the same time. Therefore, this easy payment is very important and very fast for these industries to make their sales. This plugin supports both the sales side and the purchase side, so it can be used for both buying and selling. Without further ado, let's show you how to use it in the system. Now we enter the system. The first thing to set is its setting. So the setting is for auto knockoff. If you untick it, it won't automatically auto knock off. It will only create an AR payment for you but won't help you knock it off. Then the second setting we need to look at is the access right. So for access right here, if you don't want the employee to use this function, you just don't give them access right. So now let's go to the invoice section. So in the invoice section, when we create a new invoice, when you save this document, it will automatically pop up this form and quickly knock off this invoice. If you want to add a break yourself, you can edit it yourself. And here, there is also a button for easy payment. So it seems like if some documents are still outstanding, you can click and then you can create a new official receipt, or you can use its unpaid amount, because if there is no unpaid amount, it will directly prompt to create an official receipt. So on the purchase side, it also has this function. If you have any questions, you can contact me. My phone number is 014-6414-268. Thank you everyone.